Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my mini dairy farm. Here you can see this is a chaff cutter of 3 HP. This is my dairy shed, low cost dairy shed. Here you can tie 5 cows. This is for calves. Mosquito net. Ground you can see, concrete bed. Here is what? This is urine, which urine goes outside, and we have kept the bucket there to fill, and directly we pour that urine to our cow dung. Surrounding we are having paddy farm, so that mosquitoes are very much here. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸುತ್ತರ್ಕ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಹಾವಳಿ ಭಾಳ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು 25-30 ಸಾವಿರ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಬಂತು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. Okay friends, subscribe my channel for more details. Thank you one and all.